Welcome to our Kto12 EduBot parts review for beginners. So for the materials, we need Kto12 EduBot, USB cable with Type A and Type Mini B connection. Parts review. Use the power switch. You can turn off and turn on the Kto12 bot. And the distance sensor to detect the object. There's left and right LED indicators, microwaves, 3.7 volts lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and 2 modified servo motors. With speaker, it has TP40 56 lithium-ion charger module battery. The adjustable sensitivity for mic sound sensor, and light sensor. With RGB LED indicator and 2-channel motor driver. With built-in e-Gizmo at Mega 168P microcontroller, with vibration sensor, input charger connections, and programming connections. With PL2303 driver, I2C connections, serial connections, with distance connection and SPI connection. With free wheels, so for testing, it has pre-programmed for motor tests. So the direction is forward, reverse, turn left, turn right. Then stop, extreme left and extreme right.